Hi friends. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Now, let's dive into today's topic. Ever wondered how a precision shop can guarantee that their measurements are accurate down to a micron, time after time? Think about this. Even the tiniest measurement error could mean a piston that doesn't fit, or a critical aerospace part that fails. That's where the humble but powerful slip gauge steps in, the unsung hero of high-accuracy measurement. A slip gauge, sometimes called a gauge block, is essentially a precisely manufactured block of hardened steel or ceramic, finished to an ultra-smooth, mirror-like surface. What's incredible is that these gauges can be stacked or wrung together to build up an exact dimension with mind-blowing accuracy, often within a couple of microns. Imagine building a Lego tower, but each Lego is so perfectly made that you can rely on the final height to be absolutely exact. That's the magic of slip gauges. Here's how they work. Each block is lapped to a precise size, with tight tolerances, and their surfaces are so smooth that they stick together through a phenomenon called molecular adhesion. You select the combination of blocks you need, ring them together, and use the assembled stack as a reference standard for calibrating measuring instruments or setting up tools. Slip gauges are a backbone of dimensional metrology. You'll find them in tool rooms, calibration labs, inspection departments, and anywhere where measurement precision is non-negotiable. Compared to traditional scales or rulers, slip gauges offer a far higher standard of repeatability and accuracy. In a world where even a 10-micron difference can make or break a product, slip gauges deliver unmatched trust and confidence to engineers, technicians, and quality inspectors alike. If you want a true benchmark of measurement precision, slip gauges are the gold standard. Hello friends. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really supports us in growing this learning community and bringing you more valuable industrial and manufacturing knowledge. And if you enjoyed this clear and straightforward explanation, be sure to check out our previous video on the height gauge 2D motorized, where we explored its advanced features, operation techniques, and tips for achieving precise 2D measurements with ease, all in the same practical and relatable style. You might discover something that takes your inspection skills to the next level.